I look like I'm ready for St. Patrick's Day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be trying a TikTok trend and I'm going to be doing my makeup for that one. It's the look at me. You're looking? With that being said, let's get started. So of course I'm going to start off by priming my face. And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Glass Correct. I'm going to put just a little bit. I don't want to go all out. Especially because it's a filter that I'm going to be using, but I also don't want to have my skin be very dry. I'm going to prime my eyelids. And I did another video before this with rhinestones. So if you guys see that one, give it a like please, because I think I have a rhinestone stuck in my eye, so that's why my eyes are red, because I've been rubbing it to try and get that little rhinestone out. If not, I'm going to have to go to the ophthalmologist tomorrow. So I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild for my eyebrows, and I'm not going to go heavy. I'm going to go a little bit light. And if you hear any background noise, I apologize. Those are my dog. Something like that. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe x Jeffree Star. Start off with the shade Mr. Diva. So now I'm going to go in with Nate, which is like a lime kind of foresty green, if that makes sense. I'm going to go on the outside. Don't be afraid to also drag it in, guys, especially when you're experimenting with makeup. Now I'm going to be using the shade Custom Rims, which is this beautiful silver. A little bit of Hi Dude, which is this deep kind of like brown. And I'm going to try and blend it out, trying to see what I can come up with as a look for this TikTok trend. I'm going to get my green eyeliner from Myani, which is this one. Doing a little wing, doing a small wing. Now what I want to try and do, hopefully it doesn't bleed, is put green glitter on it. I don't like these. I don't like using these glitter eyeliners, but what people do for the TikTok, me and people. For the TikTok and for the YouTube videos. This is for sure behind the scenes. Some people really don't know what goes on that 10-15 second video that you see for that 1 minute video. You record all this content and then you get to use just 10 seconds to a minute from it. Isn't that lovely? I look like I'm ready for St. Patrick's Day. This MAC Studio one. I'm going to use this MAC Studio one. I'm going to go ahead and I don't want to curl my eyelashes today. I'm just going to go ahead and use the mascara. I'm going to be using, of course, the Voluminous Milli Lashes mascara. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara. I mean, a little bit of foundation. Guys, why am I saying mascara? It's not mascara. Concealer. Okay, this is a lot of concealer. I'm gonna be doing some there. The ColourPop Cosmetics Hello Kitty. I really like this blush, guys, so if you see me using it a lot, it's because I like it. I'm gonna apply a little here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Infused Pressed Face Powder from Dollar Tree. And this is just to kind of like make my skin a little bit more matte. Ooh, I like that I have glitter all over my face. I hope I don't conceal it with this. This powder is really good, and it was $1.25, guys, not including taxes. And no, it's not sponsored. but I really like it. Wet and Wild. Kind of like a nude. Oh, it melted a little bit. Melting. Bambi ColourPop Cosmetic one. I want my face to be glittery, guys. I like glitter. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I like glitter a lot. So having glitter all over my face, I don't like it all. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Ioni lashes. I didn't notice you guys like my hair. I'm over here recording like nothing. And I'm like, look at my hair. I'm just letting my eyelashes dry a little bit. But let me talk about my hair. I should do like a little transition like. This is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And of course, if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. So until next time, bye guys.